Imagine being able to create viral videos in seconds with just one click without any editing or script work. SmartShort isn't just a tool, it's your shortcut to viral fame. Turn your wildest ideas into short videos in just 30 seconds. With one simple click, your TikToks and Reels get ready to shine. No endless editing, just instant high-quality content. Level up your videos with premium voices and trendy templates. Make it your own with perfect captions and sound effects. Post professional, monetizable videos that make you stand out. Get noticed on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Perfect for those who want to create faceless content effortlessly. Stop worrying about being on camera. Let SmartShort do the magic. Head to the SmartShort website now and start creating. Lots of attention. Just enter through the official SmartShort website, which I will leave here in the video description.